Hi. So a lot of colleges have declared their results, okay, and students are expected to join maybe in 2 months' time. I mean, admission, the results are out. Students have taken admission, and 2 months' time they will have to join the college. So this video is basically to help in terms of what to do before you join an MBA course. So what are the activities that you can do that will help you basically once you get into a MBA course? Because once you get into MBA course, it's going to be really hectic. You will have to focus on your summer placements initially, and then your academics, and a lot of things that will go on. But yes, before you join an MBA course, what can you do that can help you? The first thing that I would recommend students is to build and connect with your alumni of the college, or maybe students who are currently studying in the college in this and going to second year. Why does it help? Because they can give you insights into what is important as far as the college is concerned. Okay, so their guidance and industry insight can help you to learn faster about what is required in a specific college. Understand each college is different. The committees are different. In some college, the placement committee is really very important. In some, it may not be so important. There could be some other committees which could be important. So knowing what are different committees which are there, which committee to join, which committee to skip, which committee is really hectic, which committee you can manage, look at those. And for different fields that you want to get into, which are the committees you should join. So that is your alumni who can talk to. Also, what is the importance of academics? I mean, where you should focus on, where you should not focus on. I mean, is projects important or is final exam important? Again, it can vary from college to college. Is internships important to get placements? What are the inter college competition that you can take part in? So all this will be can be told by maybe your immediate seniors or people who just passed out. They can guide you in terms of how you need to build in those 2 years in the college, and accordingly you can prepare for the same before you enter the college. So knowing your college will help you to be prepared in a much better way. So that's the first thing I would recommend alumni connect. Second, learn some softwares. Softwares like Power BI, Microsoft Excel, PPT. This is going to be part and parcel of your 2 years. I mean, you're going to build PPTs and going to present. You're going to do projects on Excel, on Power BI, etc. Learn different software that you feel will help you. Okay, again, talk to your seniors. They will tell you what softwares are important, what softwares are not. Learn different shortcuts, techniques of using. Maybe do a course on these. Could help. Do courses related to your specialization. Maybe if you're doing marketing, you can do maybe do digital marketing course or some social media marketing. If you're doing finance, maybe invest in the stock market and understand how it works. Operations, maybe you can do project management or operations courses. HR, maybe analytics in HR. So look at courses that are available that is relevant to your field, and maybe you can do. It need not be a certificate course, but at least some knowledge about the field that you want to get into. You could get some insights about it. Network, very important. This is what you're going to do later also. So build a network with students who will be your batchmates and also students from other colleges. So these are the students who will be helping you in project work. So when you do project work, you'll form groups. If you have a good batchmates and connect between them, you can form a better group as such for inter-college competitions, for everything. And you, if you have friends from other colleges as well, it will help you for your project work. So whatever project work you're doing, if you want to get it done, the network will help you to get that done. Social media, build a profile. Specifically, LinkedIn is very important, Instagram. Tomorrow, when companies come to you placements in your college, they may look at your LinkedIn profile. So, do you have a LinkedIn profile? Do you have an Instagram profile? How is it? What it is? So, build your social media profiles. It does help during placement because today a lot of companies are very conscious of your social media. So before they take you, they definitely look at your social media and try to analyze how a candidate you are. Read. Knowing what is happening around you, specifically through business newspapers and business magazines, will help you. Okay, well, if you're up to date, it will not only help you in your college projects, but will help you in your placements. Because in placements in an interview, they will ask you questions on what's happening around you, and having some knowledge about what's happening around you is definitely positive. So, editorials of newspapers and magazine is what you can build on. Look at competitions. Are there any competitions which you can take part? Because understand that 2 years are going to build your CV. You have to build your CV with a lot of positive things. So if you're taken part in some competitions like inter college or some particular competitions, company competitions, and if you won it, you can show it in your CV, which will help you in your placements in the net. So look at for competitions that are there. Take part in it. Try to see if you can win it, and that could help you not only in your learning process but also in your placements, right? I hope this is very clear in terms of what all you need to do. If you can build on this and do this whatever I mentioned out here, it will definitely help you with regards to your college. So these 2 months which are there, if you're free, you're at home, try to build on yourself so that you're well prepared for the 2 years of an MBA and you can get the maximum benefit from it that will help you in your future career. Right? Thank you.